Well, we're made it to Wednesday. Hope you all are doing great. So let's just jump right in and get started.
All right, looks like we're going to do word form for 740. So word form, we need to write it in words.
Write exactly what you hear and what you say. 740. Okay, now the expanded form, we're going to pull that number apart. So we're going to say, how many hundreds do we have? We have 700. How many tens do we have? We have 4, which would be 40. And then we have 0 ones. 740.
All right, 808 people said their favorite color is red. 589 people said their favorite color is blue. How many more people like red than blue? Where's that keyword?
You know what we always told my class? We had a little chant. Many more means subtract. They should remember that. Many more means subtract. So what are we going to subtract?
We are going to subtract 808 minus 589.
And it does matter. We have to put the largest number on top because we are subtracting.
In my class, we have a little chant to do this. So we say, there's more on the floor. Gotta go next door and get 10 more. He doesn't have any, but his neighbor does. And we box them in. 80, he has 80. And if I take away 1, that leaves me with 79. And he gets his tens place. So we now have 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9 is?
9.
There's more on the top, so no need to stop. 9 minus 8 is
1.
There's more on the top, so no need to stop. 7 minus 5 is
2.
And I need a label.
219, what are we talking about?
How many more people? 219 people. All right, let's find some products today.
Okay, we have a little race. Are we ready? We're going to find the products by multiplying, and we're going to see if Miss... Okay, ready? Here we go. 9 times 7 is 63. 7 times 12 is 84. 6 times 8 is 48. 5 times 12 is 60, and 6 times 6 is 36.
Oh,
good job.
Right. So today on area and perimeter, we have an odd-looking shape. We only can use our formula for area. Area equals length times width if I am talking about a square or a rectangle. But this shape is not either.
Nope, we're going to have to break it into parts to get that. We're going to have to find out the simplest way. We can break it in 2 different ways.
We can. We could cut it right here, or we could cut it right here. But once you choose where you're going to cut it, you've got to stick with your answer there. So I'm going to choose to cut it right here, which means that one of these is red and one is white. And so we're going to focus right now on the red rectangle. The red rectangle has a length of
11
and a width of
3.
So 11 times 3 equals
33.
33. Now we need to focus on the area of the white rectangle. So what is the length of the white rectangle?
3.
And the width is
4.
So 3 times 4 is
12.
And both of those areas together will give me the total area of the entire shape. 3 plus 2 is
5.
3 plus 1 is
4.
45.
Square, or feet square. It's feet.
Square. You could have also said square feet. Now let's look at perimeter. Perimeter is the outside.
And we have to add all the sides.
We also call the perimeter the fence. And so let's start up here and get this length of that fence. 7 plus
3 is 10. That gives us a group of 10.
10 plus 4.
14.
And 8.
22.
22 plus 3.
23. 24. 25.
25 plus 11 gets me back to the beginning. 25 plus 11 equals
36
36, and we've got to label it
feet.
feet. It took 36 feet of fencing to get all the way around this figure without Sparky being able to get out of the fence. Moving on down to our...
That's one of the problems that is very important to show your work. It's not just a one-step thing.
Right. If we hadn't shown our work, we could have made a mistake. So moving on to money, we're going to count. How many quarters are in a dollar, Miss Pat?
4.
4. Well, I don't have 4 quarters, so I better count them individually. 1 quarter is
25.
Plus another
50.
And another
75.
75 plus 10
is 85.
85
plus 90. 95. $1.
Ooh, I like $1. What do I do there?
Draw our line.
I circle it to get rid of that portion. Now I don't have to count near as much. Here we go.
5, 10, 11, 12, and 13.
13. You remember that other method that I told you about the other day called Harry
coins? Yes.
Now let's real quick. Let's go through Harry coins just so that you can remember there are different strategies if you're struggling on counting money. So we've got a quarter and it has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Each quarter gets 5 hairs. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Dimes, they only get 2. 5, 10. And nickels get 1 hair. And pennies, remember how happy they are? But they get no hair. We call them the happy bald guys in my class. And so we're going to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, $1. $1 and 5, $1 and 10, $1 and 11, 12, and 13 cents. So we would write that $1 and 13 cents.
Yes.
You said there's another way to write money.
Yes, we could show it with just a cent sign. How would we do it?
With just a cent sign, that would be 113 cents.
That'd be a lot of pennies.
It sure would. Moving on down to fractions. Go ahead, Miss Pat.
We're going to compare this fraction using greater than, or less than, or equal to. In my class, we call it cross multiplying. And Miss Walker says the butterfly method, which I like that term too. So we're going to say 6 times 3 is 18. And 4 times 3 is 12.
For those of you in my class, we have some chants. 6 and 3 got a new CD with 18 rockin' songs. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 12 is 3 times 4. So now, which one of those is bigger?
So we can say 18 is greater than 12.
So 3/4 is greater than 3/6. All right, here we go with some more elapsed time. Every day at 9:15, Jesse takes his dog for a walk for 30 minutes. He then takes the next 2 hours to work on his computer before he eats lunch. What time does he eat lunch? Well, what time is he starting?
Starting at 9:15 a.m.
9:15 a.m. And he's going to go for 30 minutes and then 2 more hours. So I'm glad they started with minutes. That's where I always start anyway. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes. And then they said 2 hours after that, he's going to work on his computer. And then here he's going to get to eat lunch. And we need to know what time he's going to eat lunch. If I was at 15, I know that 20 is the next stop on the clock. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. I am at 9:45 a.m. And now I'm going to start jumping hours. What comes after 9?
10.
10:45. And then
11.
11:45. Did I ever cross that 12 o'clock on my clock?
Nope.
Nope. So it is still a.m. and the time he will eat his lunch is 11:45 a.m. Moving on to the very last one we're going to do together today before you start your assignment. we're going to look at Andy. Andy's waking up at 6:45 a.m. Before leaving for school, he takes 15 minutes to get dressed and 30 minutes to eat his breakfast. What time does he leave for school? Where are we starting at?
So we're going to start at 6:45 when he gets up.
So put your start
AM.
time over here, 6:45 a.m. And we know that he's going to do some things, and then we want to know what time is he going to leave for school. So it says 15 minutes, 5, 10, 15 minutes, and then he's going to get dressed, and that takes 30 minutes. Oh, 30 minutes is eating his breakfast. So we're going to go 30 more minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Did we move any hours, Miss Pal?
No. Just got minutes. Nope.
Not this time. So if I'm at 45 on the clock, I need to know what comes next.
50, 55, and then we can say, is there a 660? No.
No. So we run into a clock. Anytime we cross that clock, that 12 on that clock, it changes the hour. So we are no longer at 6:45. We are all the way up to 7 o'clock. And so after o'clock, we got some more minutes. Let's keep going.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30.
I landed at 7:30, and I never crossed 12 o'clock, so I'm still at
AM.
AM. I am going to leave, or he is going to leave for school at 7:30 a.m.
Okay. And so now you know that's today's lesson. Don't forget to do your assignment at the bottom of this page, and we shall see you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.